So in today's class of mathematics, this is vlog class 9th mathematics chapter 7 triangles exercise 7.3 question number 2. Okay, so I will be solving exercise 7.3 from triangles question number 2. So first I'll take down the question. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. Only one is altitude. So you have to draw the figure. Triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Show that AD bisect BC. Okay, what do you mean by AD bisect BC? AD bisect BC means you all have to show that here you all have to show that your BD is equal to CD, and here you all have to show that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So let us see this part. Let me clear this part. First, I'll take down the question first. So what I'll have to show that this AD is bisecting this BC. Okay. First, let me show. First, I can take down this in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So first, which triangle I have taken? ADB and then ADC. I have taken these two triangles because I have to show that AD is bisecting BC, which means I have to show that BD is equal to CD, right? So I have to show that BD is equal to CD, right? So here you all can say that angle ADB is 90 degree. You all can say both of them are 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree, right? So you will say that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. Okay, this first part is clear. ADB is angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. Reason, okay. Then in the question, AB is equal to AC. This AB side AB is equal to AC is given. Here, these two sides are given, okay. So write down that AB is equal to AC. And what is the reason? Given. Next, you all are going to say that AD is equal to AD. And you will say that it is a common side. From this triangle, AD is the common side of both the triangles, right? So basically here you all have applied R means 90 degree. And AB is what? AB is nothing but you all have applied hypotenuse. Okay, this slanting line is known as hypotenuse, and here you all have applied side. So it is RHS test. Okay. So here it is 90 degree. AB and AC are the hypotenuse. Okay, and AD is the side. So it is RHS test. So these two triangles are congruent by which rule? RHS rule. That is right angle hypotenuse and side. So you all can take down here. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS rule. Okay, so ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS rule. Now we were supposed to prove that BD is equal to CD, right? So finally we can prove that BD is equal to CD. And what will be the reason? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. You all can see this BD So you all can say that BD is equal to CD, corresponding part of congruent triangle, by CBD is the BD. You all can see here it is there in this triangle, and CD is there in this triangle. So it is the corresponding part of this triangle. Okay. Next, what I was supposed to prove that. Next, what I'll have to say is angle 1 is okay. But before that, you all can take down this. Therefore, AD bisect BC. Now you all can say, once you prove that BD is equal to CD, you all can say that AD is bisecting BC. Now what you are supposed to prove, the second thing is AD bisect angle A. AD bisect angle A is what? For that, what I'll have to say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Therefore, you all can say that AD bisect angle A. Okay. So I hope you have understood today's class, and thanks for watching.